Here we have a simple React app with a dev server running in the background. Clicking on this button will trigger the handleFetchPerson function and make an API call to a remote endpoint. To debug this fetching procedure in VS Code, we need to first install the Debugger for Chrome extension. Next, let's create a new debug config. If we don't already have a launch.json file in our VS Code workspace, we can create one here and select Chrome. If we already have one, click on the Add Configuration button and make sure that we choose Chrome Launch. The launch request will start a new Chrome instance that is launched with a debug flag, so that VS Code can talk with it and control it over the debugging protocol. Then let's change the URL to where the dev server is running. For a project structure like ours, the source code is located in the src source directory. So we also need to set the web root key here to workspace folder /src. And now we're good to go. Let's head back to our code, set a breakpoint here before the namestate is updated with a new value, then start debugging. Now when we click on the Fetch Person button in the new Chrome window, the breakpoint will be hit and will be automatically switched to the debugger view in VS Code. And here we can inspect variables, step over to the next line, or just continue.